Hi, I'm Andrew and this is a moment or so of Murphy. So in today's moment or so of Murphy, I have what looks like a very exciting cake kit today. I bought this ages ago and I thought, why not make a video out of it? So let's see how these cake kits go with me. I haven't made one of these, I think, in forever. So it can either go yay or it can go nay. So right, let me get all the bits and bobs ready for this. So I'm going to need soft butter, milk and a medium egg. Soft butter, milk is required, water, all the usual store cupboard bits. So without further ado, let's go! Right, okay, so I've now preheated the oven. Okay, as per the instruction manuals there. Right, so I need to mix together in the bowl. So I grab, what's this, the baking mix. Okay, right, I've just opened that on. We need to dump that in the bowl, like so. I'm doing this on a whim. Fantastic, that's the best egg crack I've done. In it goes, get rid of the shell. Okay, plug it in, make sure it's turned on. That looks good. Right, okay, now how am I going to do this? I'm going to do this way. So the bit of the milk in. Alright, okay, so we've got a mixture that looks something like this. This is a nice soft batter. Okay, make sure we get all the excess off with the knife. I'll scoop a little bit up. Pop a bit in there. Just make sure that's spread out. Anything more we can add literally later, so I'm just going to hurry up and do that. Nice, cool. Right, so let's put these in the oven. So all they do, so we'll put them on the middle shelf. Make sure you just put them in like that. Make sure not to burn ourselves. If you are a little wee child, get your adult to help. I'm an adult. I think I know I am. So yeah, cool. Right. All I need to do is place it. Oh, look! As soon as you add it to the water, look. It's starting to turn green. Looks like Fungus the Bogeyman's been here. Okay, right. Okay, right, so whilst I get all of this added in to the mixture, I'm going to pop it in the microwave for about a minute, stir it, then another minute, all on full power, and we'll see what happens. Cool, right, let's have a look at it now. Oh, this looks good. Okay, right. The instructions say to do it for another couple of 15-second bursts, though I think that's all right. So I'm going to close up the microwave, and there we go. Right, everyone. Okay, so the oven timer has just gone off. So without further ado, let's open the door and see the results. they look nice and golden. Okay, so... Ooh, they actually look quite nice, look. Nice and even. Fantastic. Okay, right, so we grab some buttercream icing. I think only a little bit we need, like that. Just a little bit of frosting on the top. Just to make the slime stick. Then as we grab the slime and let it just dollop on the cake. Look at that. Presentation doesn't matter. It's all about the taste test. The taste test. Right, here goes. Right, okay. Ooh. This looks interesting. That's going to drop on the floor. Oh, right. Okay. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Let's taste. Oh. Okay. Wow. If I was to rate these, they would definitely be a 5 stars out of 5. So yeah, would I bake many more of these? Perhaps so. They are so easy to make. Anyone can do them. So right, I'm going to go and have my cake and eat it. So I'm going to close out today's video log here. I'd just like to thank you all for your company today. Take care of yourselves. Please like, comment, subscribe, ding the bell, all that jazz. And until next time, bye for now.